Hey, what's up? How you guys doing? I want to bring you with me to Montreal. Have you ever been there before? Montreal's my hometown. That's where Hennasooq was founded. So I want you to come with me to Montréal, en Canada, and we're gonna see this beautiful city behind the scenes. So are you ready to see all that? All right, let's go. Hey, it's my sister. There she is. We're going to a wedding. You guys ready to come with us? All right, we're gonna show you everything. I have a childhood best friend, and she married this awesome dude. So let's go to her wedding. Let's go check it out and see what happened. And I also got a story for you before we head there. This is my childhood best friend who, you know, when she met her husband, it was back when we were like 15 or 16 years old about. And I remember she was not allowed to see boys because he's older. And you know, when you're that young, you know, you're not allowed to go see older boys, right? So she was like, can you tell my mom that I'm gonna sleep over at your house so I can go see this boy? And you know, she got busted. I got busted too. So yeah, we got in trouble. So she never saw him again. But lo and behold, like 5 to 6 years later, they connected again through Facebook. So crazy. And they're getting married. My bestie that I haven't seen also in like 25 years. I mean, I haven't seen her in a long time. And she's like, yeah, come to my wedding. And I was like, all right, let's go. We're going to the wedding. We're up in these mountains. It's so pretty. So you guys want to see?
I would get married here too. She's so smart, clever.
So beautiful, guys. Can't wait to show you the view.
It is, huh?
This is the light though, right here. And look, they got Hennasooq and all this stuff, and oh, it's so cute. It's really, really cute. Look at the whole space. Next up, we are heading to a photo shoot together in Montreal. I put together an amazing team, new products, new branding, new look, new vibes. We're updating everything at Hennasooq. So where do we go to do this? Of course, a Montreal photo shoot, right? So come with me, let's go. I want to show you behind the scenes. Makeup free, no makeup yet. This is the day of the photo shoot. I'm so excited, so can't wait to meet everyone. My henna's ready though. Yes. All right, in the space, it's looking nice. All right, we're gonna get set up. We'll show you more. We're getting set up. Oh, the light's kind of good though. Nicole's on her phone. What you doing, Nicole? Hey. Oh, okay. Is your sister younger or older? Younger or older? Oh, a month. You mean a year and a month? Yeah. Not only when I'm in Montreal, am I having a good time, and I'm just picking the brains of my friends up there and kind of thinking about, you know, how I can improve Hennasooq, how I can make it better, you know, how I can bring this vision to the table, because it's not just one person to make things happen. It's like takes a team of people to give you their input and strategize and you know, kind of get to all your goals and where you want to be, right? So in Montreal, I got the, you know, good connections up there to really help me focus on that, you know, and I'm even there. I can't wait to visit different spaces so that I get inspired the type of product photos that I want to take. We did update the website, but the product photos I want to update and the packaging is all going to change to match the brand and just be on point. So what is going to happen with this photo shoot is going to give me some of those product photos for the new products that we have coming out with the packaging and getting just really professional hair care photos done. We just want to elevate that. We just want to bump that up, you know. And I'm also going to be checking out different backdrops that I can use for individual products as well, because that's so important to kind of get that look and feel of a product in a more realistic type of way. So that's what I'm going to be doing in Montreal.
Oh, got my makeup done.
Love it in the purple. It's perfect.
Right?
I love it. And not only did I have so much fun in Montreal, I was eating all the food because I'm a foodie, and Montreal is the place to be when it comes to food and art. And bagels. I can't come to Montreal without bagels. And last but not least, Gail's birthday. Let's go. I want to bring you to the Nordic spa with me and Gail. Oh, I'm excited because I've never been to this type of spa before. The Nordic spa has all this outdoor massages, outdoor like spa tubs and pools and heat and, you know, essential oil steam rooms. I mean, I am so excited to go to this Nordic spa with my sister. We're gonna have so much fun. And last but not least, on this rainy day, we're gonna be going for my sister's birthday to the Spa Strøm. Okay, Spa Nordic. This is how steamy it is. Can you see? Look, the
Steam.
steam.
Oh my gosh. We are in the...
It's pouring rain behind
Yes.
us. Oh my God.
Inside here.
Wow.
Wow.
We're gonna get our massages. I look at my busting jab. Hey, bonne fête, Agate. Bonne fête, bonne fête.
You too look nice to know.
Hey, bonne fête, à l'Spa Strøm. So thank you for joining me and this really amazing time that I had here in Montreal. It was amazing. I'm so sad that it ended so quickly because, you know, it's always so much fun there. And if you haven't been, you definitely have to go. And I'm going to be doing more vlogs, especially more of those vlogs specifically that are gonna show you behind the scenes of Hennasooq's new space. It is looking amazing so far, and you guys gotta tune in and see exactly what's going on with Hennasooq space. So stay tuned for that next vlog. Just hit the subscribe and the notifications so you don't miss a thing. And I'm gonna see you next time.